Yama cake. Yama frosting.
Hi mga ka-chings, mag-try ta og yema cake. So naghimo ko og yema frosting. So ato lang na siyang pabugnawon, then human ato ni siyang i-frost sa atong chiffon, vanilla chiffon cake. So atong i-try. This is my first time making yema cake. So mag-frosting ta sa atong. So let's try this vanilla chiffon cake. And then ato lang siya give that's in 8 inches diameter by 2.5 inches. Ang thickness, then ako lang i-divide na to into 2, and then sa in-between atong gibutangan frosting ng yema, and then sa top side. So let's try. This is for my sister's birthday. Instead of making chocolate cake, so mo na sad miro yema cake. So badayon ta pa frosting sa atong cake. So, inana kagwapa itong yema cake. And then plus, the toppings at butang cheese sa iyang top. So, this is it. Our yema cake. Then, with a 2 inches diameter yema cake. So, thank you for watching and God bless.